thing. Yeah, so they I might explain about this story of these cats. There are so many generations, and there are so many generations of these cats, and there are so many generations, like 3 generations. These are the 3rd generation, and that little kitty over there is the 4th generation. Yes, it's the 4th generation of the cats. There are so many cats. Like before these cats arrived, there are lots of and billion and gajillions of rats in our house. But the cats keep the rats away, so the cats are very useful for our world. Aww, so cute. Where's the other cat gone? But I don't care. I'm going to film. At least I will go down out there and film those cats. The adult cat. Wait, that's not the adult cat. That's the kid. That's a kitten too. Oh, it's so cute. Let me forward. So this is the 4th generation. But it's a little bit strange because, it's not strange because there's a white and yellow cat in our world, and there's another yellow cat. But I think they are different. They are different because the yellow kitty that's not a kitty, but the yellow kitty that you guys saw is from another family. I think I don't understand about cats, but I love them. I want to adopt them. It's so cute, and it will be a company if I live alone. That's dangerous. So yeah, that's risky. So guys, I will show you later when I go out. That is kind of impossible to get there because the pathway is risky because there are beehives, and another pathway is grassy. Oh, look, it's going. Look, where is that little kitty cat going? Look, she's so cute. So the kitty cat is gone. So peace.